We are back with winter weather coverage. We have snow coming down in the mountains, and that snow has been trying to take over across the upstate. We've seen it mix with rain. We've seen full-blown snow for spots like Travelers Rest for a time.
Yeah.
And it kind of switches back and forth. So we've had a lot of different reports out there, Isaac, but right now watching the radar closely.
Yep, and you can see as we kind of take you in for a closer look here, we can see that while for a while the Greenville area was seeing rain, and now we're starting to see a little bit more of the snow redevelop back across the northern half of the county, Kendra. And again, we'll just continue to see slowly maybe some of that colder air trying to get a little farther south.
Yeah, exactly. And this, of course, Greenville right on that divide line. As you go farther north, we've actually had some reports of that full-blown snow. We have a mix of rain and snow outside of our TV station right now, which is on the east side of Greenville. You can see the yellows and the oranges. A lot of this may be picking up because there's sleet mixed with the rain. A lot of sleet reports out there. That's been a big dominating factor, and it's one of the reasons that we're not seeing the snow accumulations, anything like that at this point, but it's a sign that the air is starting to cool down. We've been seeing that sleet since around noon in many spots. You can see heavy downpours mixed with some snow and sleet. We've had reports of that from Toccoa over toward Clemson, and we've even seen on our Clemson camera that we do have some snow mixing in with rain at times, even some sleet here and there. We've had reports of accumulating snow in Rabun County, northern Oconee County, getting some snow coming down there, at least mixed with rain at times, and then up in the mountains, it has been a solid snow for you. We're going to continue to see this thin out over the next several hours. The heaviest of the snow is going to be winding down, and you can see we've got the back edge of it moving through. But look at all this heavy moisture. It still has to move through upstate areas. Now, most of this is just liquid rain, but on the northern fringe of it, that's where we're going to have just enough cold air and a lot of moisture where we can end up with some bursts of snow, sleet, or a mix of all three. This wintry bag of precipitation that we've had, just a complete mix. And that's what we're going to continue to watch for. Greenville, northern Pickens County, Spartanburg County, Cherokee County in that winter weather advisory, all of western North Carolina and Rabun County. And this goes out until the end of Thursday. And then we may have a new special weather advisory, a special weather statement issued tonight for black ice because of falling temperatures, Isaac.
Yeah, for sure. And, I just want to take you through hour by hour throughout the rest of the day in terms of Futurecast, which is right now 3 o'clock, and basically the latest model that we've got is showing that rain and snow line basically right where it is on radar. So this computer model is doing a really good job of showing basically where the full transition is happening from rain over to that full-blown snow that the mountains have been seeing for hours so far today. And about 3 more hours from now at 6 p.m., we're looking at that rain-snow line maybe as far south as Anderson and Lawrence. And again, if this model is correct, we should be seeing, some decent snow rates across a good portion of the upstate. But because we've seen so much rain and sleet and kind of a varying precipitation type throughout the day, it is going to be a little tougher to get some of this snow to stick on the ground. But with about 3 hours potentially of some snow, it should at least be able to turn the ground white, and eventually all of this will be clearing out. This is 9 p.m. though, and the latest model continues to want to maybe only have the back edge of the snow exiting Greenville and Spartanburg out toward Lawrence and Union in the Midlands as well. And then that all pinwheels out of here. We're left with full sunshine on Friday, and into Friday night the sky stays clear. But the problem will be is the temperatures falling throughout the day, and we've seen them fall so far. And as we get into the overnight hours, they'll be down into the lower 20s in the mountains, upper 20s to near 30 degrees for the upstate. Several schools have either already delayed or closed as a result of this potential black ice. We don't expect it to be a major, significant, crippling black ice event tomorrow morning, but secondary roadways, bridges, and overpasses certainly will have the threat for some slippery conditions. We're going to continue to monitor the radar, of course, very closely, and the temperatures and the snow and where it's going. And we have team coverage coming up all across the upstate. We will have our crews out and seeing what is going on here. We also invite you to download the Fox Carolina News app. We will be streaming our newscast there. You can get the very latest on your forecast sent straight to your mobile device. That'll do it here for now. We'll see you back here at the top of the hour with the 4 o'clock news.